friends, my name is Durga Prasad. I am studying in 8th class in AP Model School GARBHAM. My project is agricultural robot. It can be useful for farmers. I bring this idea. My friend Venkatesh will be continue another thing.
Hi friends, I am Venkatesh, studying 8th class in AP Model School GARBHAM. I collect all these materials and give to my friend Koushik. He made this project. He will explain about this project.
Hi friends, I am Koushik. I am studying in 8th class of AP Model School GARBHAM. My friend Durga Prasad gave this project and Venkatesh gave all materials and I assembled this project for farmers.
Hi friends, my father and my friend's father is also farmer. We ask a question to them. What is the main problem in agriculture? What is the main problem in agriculture? They told to me, irrigation is the main problem in agriculture because lot of energy is wasted in the irrigation, and we made that is the problem with irrigation. We made a solution to the problem named water sprinkler system. It will be made in low cost.